September na! Simula na ng mga Burmans, malapit ng Pasko! Oo nga, Setyembre pa lang, ramdam na natin ang simoy ng Pasko dahil tayong mga Pinoy ang may pinakamahabang selebrasyon ng Pasko.
At dahil malapit na nga ang Pasko, marami na rin ang nangongolekta ng pangregalo at naghahanda ng mga pang-sorpresa. At dito sa amin, laging Pasko dahil marami kaming inihandang sorpresa para sa inyo.
This is
YMI!
or Young Minds Inspired, ang bagong tambayan ng kabataang Pinoy.
We're your hosts. I'm Bobby.
I'm Brad and I'm Nico. And for today's segments, we have
Idol Kabataan, where we will visit another orphanage to provide joy and happiness to babies and young girls.
At para sa ating yakang-yaka, dahil mga estudyante tayo, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magplansya ng uniforme. Let's sing and revisit the songs of the yesteryears in Jam Break. We will also feature a new original music video of our band, C Major 7.
Let's jumpstart these Burmonths, guys!
And find out how amazing being young can burn!
Sampung taon ko nang inaalagaan tong Lotto outlet ko. At alam ko, di lang ako nakikinabang dito.
Dahil sa negosyong inaalagaan niya, libo-libo rin ang naaalagaan ng PCSO.
Salamat PCSO, maasenso na ako, marami pa ang natutulungan ko.
Salamat po.
PCSO, pusong Pilipino, pusong panalo.
Dalawang two-piece hotcake meal.
Kamusta kas mo?
Okay lang, kuya. Kuya, nasmile na siya sa akin.
So good din. Ganito.
Ganito?
Hindi. Kapunti lang.
Gan?
Simple joy start at 50 pesos with McSaver meals.
Bukas ako taya.
Idol kabataan, sa iyong kamay ang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa iyong kamay ang kinabukasan. Sa'yo kami umaasang bayan mo. Palaguin ng iyong sarili, ibig sa puso. Limutin na ang iyong pangamba, pagkat nariyan ang Diyos lagi sinasamahan ka. Sa iyong sigla, kaming nagkakataon pag-asa.
Hey there, YMI viewers! It's Bobby here, and today, for Idol Kabataan, we are going to interview Miss Alexis and Miss Erica, who owns an orphanage here in Marikina. So, guys, can you introduce yourselves to our viewers?
Okay, so I'm Alexis Josephine F. Mayonga, and I am 14 years old, and I come from Multiple Intelligence International School, and here's my twin.
So I'm Erica, and I'm 14 too. I study Multiple Intelligence International School, and I'm currently in the 11th grade.
Can you tell us about your your advocacy. What is the name of your orphanage?
Mary Charles Children World Foundation Incorporated. Well, it's a city, and there was a statue of Mother Mary and baby Jesus, which is child. That's why it's Mary, and child, which is child.
Oh, okay. So, Alexis, how did you start with your orphanage?
So it all started with Tito Van. He's an official from Andorra, and he came to visit the Philippines. And then he was visiting the different places, even the rural places. And then he noticed how we were struggling, so he approached my dad and said, "How can I help?" And my dad said, "Help me build an orphanage." And so he donated $100,000 for him to start and build an orphanage, which is the Andorra's Girls' Home.
Okay, so your orphanage started with a girls' orphanage first.
Yeah, and then we built a second one, which is the baby's home. Yeah.
Okay, so why did your dad want to put up an orphanage? Aside, he can put up something else. Why did he choose to put up an orphanage?
Well, I guess that he wanted children who were abandoned to, have a family and get the love that they deserve.
When we arrived at the Mary Chell Orphanage in Marikina, we were welcomed by its head, who was attorney Eric Malonga. Pero yung nakakatawa dun, pagkarating namin dun, sabi niya kaagad sa amin, nila Brad at ni Nico, "Hello, hello! Oh, kuha na kayo ng baby! Magkadal na kayo ng baby!" Yun agad yung sinabi niya. But he was really excited when he welcomed us. And when we also went inside the orphanage, we saw the babies there, and it was their playtime. So they were on the carpets surrounded by toys and different educational objects that they can play with. And also, we met Alexis and Erica, who were the daughters of Attorney Eric.
When we met Attorney Eric, it did not take long for him to tell us about the story behind these babies. These stories were very shocking for us. They were found in trash cans, along the street, and in the fields. It is good that Attorney Eric's daughters, Alexis and Erica, are taking care of them now in their orphanage. It is good to know that they have a chance at having a family.
Some of them were found in Luneta Park, abandoned there.
Just
right
lying there on the street?
Yeah, some of them. Also in the trash can, stuff like that. And so they were found abandoned, and they were given to people, and so they gave it to DSWD or surrendered it to Boys Town. And Boys Town, my dad visits it once in a while, and then he sees the babies he wants to be able to put in his orphanage.
Nadama namin na sa kabila ng kanilang mga ngiti, nandoon pa rin ang matinding pangangailangan at paghahangad nila sa isang tunay na kalinga. Nadama namin ito habang yumayakap sila sa amin ng mahigpit, habang karga-karga namin sila. Kung kaya naman, pinilit at sinikap naming maibigay ang lahat ng kasiyahan at pagmamahal habang kami naroroon. Idol kabataan, sa'yo kamayang kinabukasan. Idol kabataan, sa'yo kamayang kinabukasan. Sa'yong sigla, kami nagkatatagon pag-asa.
Dakal pong salamat!
Damo na salamat.
Magsukunuran!
Agyamana punay!
Salamat po!
Dahil sa inaalagaan mong numero, libo-libo rin ang naaalagaan ng PCSO. Kaya naman panay ang thank you nila sa iyo. PCSO, pusong Pilipino, pusong panalo.
Bilib kami sa'yo. Sa tuloy-tuloy mong hulog sa SSS, protektado ka at yung pamilya, mag-member na.
2 two-piece hotcake meal.
Kamusta kas mo?
Okay lang, kuya. Kuya, nasmile na siya sa akin.
So good. Ganito.
Ganito?
Hindi. Kaputi lang.
Yan?
Simple joy start at 50 pesos with McSaver meals.
Bukas ako taya.
In the orphanage, there were babies who were very responsive. When you would carry them or when you would hold them, they would smile or they would laugh. But on the other hand, there were also babies whom we learned were trying to recover from their past unpleasant experiences. One of them was a newly found baby who had an inadequate size for his age. Another one had a disease. He has a puncture in his heart. And another one there, a baby girl, was extremely aloof. But fortunately, the orphanage is doing very well in helping them regain their health and disposition.
A lot of the babies now, they're in good conditions and much better than where they were before. But some still have diseases, but they're being taken care of.
Sa murang edad, namulat sina Erica at Alexis sa mundo ng mga batang walang mga magulang. Napatunayan nila na kahit bata pa sila at abala sa pag-aaral ay kaya nilang makatulong at makapagbigay ng panahon para maalagaan ng mga batang ito.
We go there during the afternoon, cause around 4, cause 2 to 3 they're still sleeping. And yeah, we come there and then we play with them. And then we run around so that they'll be given exposure.
On Fridays, usually 4 to 6, we would play peekaboo or something like that. And, we try to make them laugh.
Siyempre, nung pumunta kami dun sa orphanage ng mga babies, dinalhan namin sila ng pagkain katulad ng spaghetti at ng ice cream, yung mga paborito ng bata. Nakakatuwa nung kumakain na sila kasi ang takaw-takaw nila. Tapos yung isa pa dun, kinakain niya yung ice cream pero ginaganon niya. Ang cute-cute nila. Tapos hindi lang yun. Si Brad, tinugtugan niya yung mga babies ng mga konting nursery rhymes sa ukulele. Tapos ang cute ng isang baby dun kasi sinasabayan niya yung pagtugtog ni Brad. Ganito siya, oh. Ang cute-cute niya. Nakakatuwa sila tingnan.
Per show, alam mo kung 45.
Yung Mary Chell Foundation, meron pa silang inaalagaan. Ito naman, mga young girls, ranging from 3 to 15 years old. Hindi namin sila kinalimutan dahil dinalhan rin namin sila ng sorpresa, dinalhan namin sila ng pagkain, at tinugtugan namin sila ng musika. Parang nga nag-mini concert kami dun eh. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Tapos, nung tumutugtog na kami, nakikikanta rin sila sa amin. Tapos, nakakatuwa kasi sobrang na-appreciate nila yung pagdating namin dun. Orphanage is to be able to find families for these children. And right now, I want to encourage you parents out there who want to extend their love to these children, to go ahead and visit the orphanage. Kasi baka meron kayong makilala doon na bata at mapalapit kayo sa kanya. At baka mapamahal na rin kayo sa kanya. At maganda yon dahil kailangan niya talaga yung pagmamahal niyo. At saka para naman sa mga kabataan, I'm inviting you to visit the orphanage in Marikina and to spend time with these children, with these babies, because they are really longing and desiring for cuddling. They want to be cuddled. And they want to have playmates. Kaya, kung may oras kayo, sana makabisita kayo.
To all of you, sana makakatulong kayo kasi just like you, these children want to have that opportunity to have families and to have fun and to be loved. So, yeah.
Erica.
I think the message really is that if you have parents' love and all those material necessities, you are very fortunate and you should spend your time and do something good with your life. Help babies, help them get the same love that you are receiving right now.
Okay, so because both of you are very good in your job, in your advocacy, and you take care of so many lives, especially these young lives, kayo ay official Idol Kabataan na. From YMI, we are going to give you this Idol Kabataan t-shirt. Woo! Yay! Share na lang kayo dyan. Joke lang. Meron akong isa para sa'yo din, Alexis. Okay, so you have to wear it. You guys have to wear it to make it official that you're both Idol Kabataan. Yay! Okay, so at this point, why don't you invite people who can volunteer in your orphanage or donors or maybe some couples there or some people who would like to adopt the babies that you're taking care of, Alexis and Erica?
So if you're looking for a family, sana you'll visit our two orphanage. The babies orphanage is in 32 Bronze Street, SSS Village, Marikina City. And our girls orphanage, if you're looking for someone older, it's 24 Peach Street, SSS Village, Marikina City. And for more information,
Yeah, and if you want to donate and contact us, contact 475-0412 or 997-1479. And you can email us at marichelfoundation@yahoo.com.
What if there are people who want to volunteer? Can they just come to the place?
Yes, they can.
Okay, so just keep in mind that address that they said, and if you want to volunteer, you can just look for these twins or one of them. You can share your love with these babies. So, thank you very much, guys. If you know a young person who is 13 to 26 years of age and is engaged in community service, contact us at ymi.idolkabataan@gmail.com or cm7mvp@gmail.com so we can share and be inspired by this individual's service and experience and include him or her in our Idol Kabataan segment.
This is South, there's a water celebrating love and family. This is South, always on that ready to meet your needs. We got it all. This is South. There's no other place where you can find an amazing experience that's one of a kind in South.
New Magnolia Best of the Philippines. Huwag magdayuhan sa sariling ice cream.
Alam niyo ba yung ibig sabihin ng gigil?
Gigil? Oo, alam ko yun! Yan yung...
Yung ganito? Yung ganito? Yung sa sobrang tuwa mo, hindi mo malaman kung anong gagawin mo. Para kang papi!
You're so adorable!
Bobby, ang taba ng cheeks mo, parang siopaw!
You called me fat?
Hindi.
You're so mean!
Nagigigil lang ako, Bobby! Uy! Ikaw kasi! Dapat sinagay mo sa tama yung gigil mo! Nang lalakbing lang naman ako. Paano yung gagawin natin? Let's do what we do best. Let's sing for Bob. Bobby! Bobby, balik ka na dito. Sorry na.
No!
Bobby, we have something for you.
Wow! Okay.
You ask me why I'm always teasing you. You hate to have me call you pretty, baby. I really thought that I was pleasing you, but you're just a baby to me. Your cunning little dimples and your baby stare. Your baby talking, baby walking, curly hair. Oh, baby, smile makes life worthwhile. Just as sweet as you can be. Everybody loves a baby, that's why I'm in love with you. Pretty baby. And I like to be your sister, brother, dad, and mother too. Pretty baby. Won't you come and let me rock you in the cradle of love? And we'll cuddle all the time. Oh, I want to love you, baby, and it might as well be you. Pretty baby of mine, won't you come and let me rock you in my cradle of love? And we'll cuddle all the time. Oh, I want to love you, baby, and it might as well be you. Pretty baby of mine, mother said you were the cutest kid. No wonder, dearie, I'm so wild about you. And all those funny things you said and did. Oh, I love to fondly recall your cunning little dimples and your baby stare. Your baby talk, your baby walk, and curly hair. Oh, baby smile makes life worthwhile. You're just as sweet as you can be. Everybody loves a baby, that's why I'm in love with you. Pretty baby. And I like to be your sister, brother, dad, and mother too. Pretty baby. Won't you come and let me rock you in my cradle of love? And we'll cuddle all the time. Oh, I want to love you, baby, and it might as well be you. Pretty baby of mine, won't you come and let me rock you in my cradle of love? And we'll cuddle all the time. Oh, I want to love you, baby, and it might as well be you. Pretty baby of mine, pretty baby, please, don't be such a tease. Pretty baby of mine.
Aww.
Sa rich chocolatey taste ng Sunday Chocochino, todo listo si James araw-araw.
Ang Super Kape.
2 2-piece hotcake meal,
Kamusta kas mo?
Okay lang, kuya. Kuya, nasmile na siya sa akin.
So good din. Ganito.
Ganito?
Hindi. Kapunti lang.
Gan?
Simple joy start at 50 pesos with McSaver meals.
Bukas ako taya.
10 taon ko nang inaalagaan tong Lotto outlet ko. At alam ko, di lang ako nakikinabang dito.
Dahil sa negosyong inaalagaan niya, libo-libo rin ang naaalagaan ng PCSO.
Salamat PCSO. Maasenso na ako. Marami pa ang natutulungan ko.
Salamat po.
PCSO. Pusong Pilipino, pusong panalo.
Bilib kami sa'yo. Sa tuloy-tuloy mong hulog sa SSS, protektado ka at yung pamilya, mag-member na.
Yakang-yaka mo yan!
Kamusta mga kaibigan? Nandito na naman tayo sa Yakang-Yaka at para ngayong araw, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magplansya ng uniforme. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga nagdo-dorm kasi mga independent sila. So, walang mag-aarga, walang nanay na magpaplansya ng kanilang mga damit. So, para sa inyo to. Bago ang lahat, kailangan ko sabihin kung ano ang ating mga kailangan. So, kailangan natin syempre ng plansya. Pagkatapos, kabayo. Pagkatapos ng kabayo, spray. At kailangan din natin ng hanger para hindi maligusot yung binilansya nating damit. Pero bago ang lahat ng yan, para pampagana, ang kailangan natin gawin ay sumayaw muna. Hit it, DJ! Yeah! Yeah! Nila! Nila! Yeah! Yeah! So, ngayon, nakapag-warm up na tayo. So, kailangan nating gawin ay kunin ang polo. So, ang una nating pagplansyahin ay polo. Ang gagawin sa ating polo ay unahin ang kwelyo, collar. So, buksan natin ang plansya at plansyahin ang collar. Yan. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, napakadali ng plansya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ba nahihirapan yung ibang kabataan dyan. Napakabigat na gawaan para sa kanila to. Pero, wala namang problema. Pagtapos ng collar, sunod natin yung body ng polo. Kung saan nandun yung bulsa. So, yan. So, ingatan natin na huwag masyadong lakasin yung plansya kasi baka mabutas yung polo at damit. Dahil, alam mo pumasok ka ng sunog yung polo mo. Mukha kang ewan. At dahil ngayon, wala akong kasama na naman. Mukha akong ewan. Muli na lang nandito yung cameraman natin. Diba? So, pagkatapos ng body, kanang manggas o sleeve. So, yan. Ganyan. Pag napansin nyo sobrang gusot ng damit, pwede nyo wisikan. Yan. Ano bang gamit ng wisik? Wisik or stray? Ginagamit to sa mga damit na sobrang gusot. Mas mapapadali, mapauna kapag winisikan nyo ng tubig. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng konting pabango. Kapag labas mo, straight ka. Natural, nandun na mismo sa polo yung pabango mo. Diba? Nakita nyo ako? Muscle kong to. Nagpa-plansya ako. Sa mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, napakadali lang mag-plansya. Alam mo lang kung pag-plansya, pwede na i-dance step eh. Kasi pag mahilig ka sa mga, sayaw. Diba? Diba? Sa pagpa-plansya ng polo, maaaring nating unahin ang pagpa-plansya ng kwelyo o collar. Pagkatapos, ay isunod natin ng manggas or sleeve. Wisikan natin ng tubig ang mga parte na sobrang gusot. At laging isaalang-alang ang init ng plansya para maiwasan natin ang pagkasunog ng damit.
Twice na akong na-reject. First for an auto loan, second for a home loan. Pero I moved on to BDO. Ginagawa nila ng paraan para ma-fulfill ang needs ko. Most banks promise fast processing, convenience, affordable terms. But what sets BDO apart is finding ways to give you a loan that works for you, that's right for you. Sinagot ako ng matamis nilang oo. Approve na ang loan nyo. Iba talaga, basta we find ways.
10 taon ko nang inaalagaan tong Lotto outlet ko. At alam ko, di lang ako nakikinabang dito.
Dahil sa negosyong inaalagaan niya, libo-libo rin ang naaalagaan ng PCSO.
Salamat PCSO. Maasenso na ako. Marami pa ang natutulungan ko.
Salamat po.
PCSO. Pusong Pilipino, pusong panalo.
Yakang-yaka mo yan!
So yan, tapos na natin plansyahin yung polo. Diba? Ang dali lang. Ngayon, isasampay na natin sa ating improvised sampayan. Ayun, ang susunod nating plansyahin ay ang pantalon. Siyempre, kailangan natin plansyahin ng pantalon. Kasi hindi lang naman pang itaas ang tinitignan. Pati yung baba. So, ang kailangan gawin ay ilagay ang pantalon sa kabayo. Siyempre, saan mo plansyahin? Sa kabayo. Ilagay. Unahin natin yung bandang bulsa. Bandang bewang. Ayan. So, ilagay natin ang konteksto ng ating pagpaplansya kung saan tayo nagmamadali. Malapit na mag-time. Malilate ka na. 5 minutes na lang. Yari ka na. Mag-e-exam kayo. So, ganito lang ang pagplansya. Pag 5 minutes na lang, malilate ka na. Yan. So, unahin natin yung part kung nasaan yung bewang. Pagkatapos, hanapin nyo yung piston ng pantalon. So, madali lang. May makikita kayong guhit kung saan pinagkabit at ginawang pantalon yung pantalon. Doon, pagpantayin nyo siya. Parang ganito lang. Camera? Lapit. Yan. Kita nyo yan? Pagpantayin nyo yan. Yung dalawang yan. Pag napagpantayin nyo na yun, makukuha nyo yung piston. So, alalahanin. 3 minutes na lang. Magta-time na. Dapat mong madali. Pero lagi nilagay sa isip na baka masunog yung pantalon nyo. Kaya, hinay-hinay lang sa init ng tasya. Laging ilagay sa medium heat. Pero, kung nagmamadali ka, pwede namang ilagay mo na sa high. Yun nga lang, dapat alerto ka. At katulad ng pagplansya sa polo, pwede ka rin sumayaw. Di ba? Sayaw! Ganyan lang. Pa! Plansya pa! Eh na, 1 minute na lang! Papasok na ako! So yan! Tapos na rin sa wakas! Handa na ako pumasok! So ang susunod kong gagawin ay maliligo! So camera, dyan ka lang kasi maliligo na. Oh! Tapos na! Handa na ako pumasok! Ang pogi ko pa! Kasi nga, bagong plansya yung balik ko. So, paano ba yan? Papasok na ako. Basta, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, laging tandaan, ang marunong sa bahay, marunong sa buhay. Magpaturo ka lang. Yakang-yakang mo yan.
With a heart and mind to help at home, we do not need to be experts to do chores and make our family happy.
Bilib kami sa'yo. Sa tuloy-tuloy mong hulog sa SSS, protektado ka at yung pamilya, mag-member na.
Dalawang 2-piece hotcake meal.
Kamusta kas mo?
Okay lang, kuya. Kuya, nasmile na siya sa akin.
So good din. Ganito.
Ganito?
Hindi. Kapunti lang.
Gan?
Simple joy start at 50 pesos with McSaver meals.
Bukas ako taya.
Riding us south, there's some water celebrating the big family. Riding us south, always on that I ready to ride on south. We got it all, riding us south. There's no other place where you can find an amazing experience. It's one of a kind in South Bend.
You're about to see an original Filipino music video by C Major 7, Brad, Bobby, Nico, Maan, Maurice, C Major 7, the new band rising.
Walking back to the bleak extremities, blinded by fading memories of your voice. Rise descend, the sun besets like a cataract, besmirched by tears not mine, but from you. I'm blinded, but I smile, bolstered by false hope, convicted of true love, but already been struck down. Payton will never be eating cake under moonlight summer. Payton, are we meant to be? This love so sweet I can't let go. The earth grows weak, it starts to break underneath my feet. To you I screamed and called, you missed my fall. As the city sleeps, I try to seek love's faded dreams. I searched and spun around, you're nowhere to be found. I'm blinded but I smile, bolstered by false hope, convicted of true love, but already been struck down. Payton, will we ever be eating cake under moonlight summer? Payton, are we meant to be? This love so sweet I can't let go. They say she's a witch, I guess I'm under her spell. She turned on my switch and lifted me from hell. Say she's a witch, I guess I'm under her spell. She turned on my switch and lifted me from Late on will we ever be eating cake under moonlight summer. Paid on, now we meant to be. This love so sweet I can't let go. Paid on, will we ever be eating cake under moonlight summer. Paid on, now we meant to be. This love so sweet I can't let go. Paid on.
Bilib kami sa'yo. Sa tuloy-tuloy mong hulog sa SSS, protektado ka at yung pamilya, mag-member na.
Sa rich chocolatey taste ng Sunday Chocochino, todo listo si James araw-araw. Ang super kape.
10 taon ko nang inaalagaan tong Lotto outlet ko. At alam ko, di lang ako nakikinabang dito.
Dahil sa negosyong inaalagaan niyan, libo-libo rin ang naaalagaan ng PCSO.
Salamat PCSO. Maasenso na ako. Marami pa ang natutulungan ko.
Salamat po.
PCSO. Pusong Pilipino, pusong panalo.
You're about to see an original Filipino music video by C Major 7, Brad, Bobby, Nico, Maan, Maurice. C Major 7, the new band rising.
In many ways, I've been wishing for you. Yes, I know that we said to each other, I love you.
Still the same, we are still far away. Can't you see my heart is open? But I'm leaving soon, don't you know? My days are numbered, 730 to 1. So short in 2 years, I will be gone. Now don't cry your tears, let's be joyful while love lasts. I'll still care for you, even though we're apart. Te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre. I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
Every time I turn out the lights and look at the sky, seeing the sky.
Can you feel me?
Pray that I'll be alright because you are my reason.
I feel the same way too.
Hoping that you'll never forget yesterday's moments spent in
The
loving
distance
and
is killing
laughing.
me.
And will I ever see my angel
again? My days are numbered, 730 to 1. So short in 2 years, I will be gone. Now don't cry your tears, let's be joyful. joyful while love lasts, I'll still care for you. Even though we're apart, te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre. I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
Every time I turn out the lights and look at the sky, seeing the star falling, pray that I'll be alright because you are my reason for living. Hoping that you'll never forget yesterday's moments spent in nothing happened. When will I ever see my angel
again? My days are numbered, 730 to 1. So short in 2 years, I will be gone. Now don't cry your tears. Let's be joyful while love lasts. I'll still care for you, even though we're apart. Te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre.
Te amo para siempre. I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
I love you so forever.
I promise this, our paths will cross
someday.
NSS ka na ba sa mga kanta ng banda naming C Major 7? O gusto mo pang mapakinggan ang iba pa naming musika? Subscribe na sa YouTube channel namin. Just search CM7 MVP.
It's time to go! Please do not forget us! We're your hosts. I'm Bobby Burr.
I'm Brad Burr. And I'm Nika Burr.
And this is
YFI!
Burr Young
Margins
Margins 5! Ang bagong tamburian ng kabataang Pinoy, Burr!
Bye-bye!